Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ihsanur Hadi from class C, and I will present the ecolinguistic present the thesis entitled Ecolinguistic Analysis of Lorax Film. The first one is content. We have three: the introduction, review of related literature, and research method. Going to masuk. We're going to background of study. Background of study of my thesis is environmental damage is now being the concern of many people and is represented in many forms of media. One of them is through film. One of the film represent ecological damage is Lorax film 2012. This film show the audience what the earth will be if they keep damaging the environment. There is a message of promoting ecological damage in this film through the use of ecological discourse analysis as a part of ecolinguistic studies, which examines the linguistic patterns of environmental-related utterance. The researcher formulate the research question as how does solar film promote for ecological preservation? And purpose of the research, based on research formulation, the researcher aim to describe how LoRa film promote ecological preservation. The significance of the research, we are going to theoretically, the study is expected to broaden the knowledge of linguistics, especially ecolinguistics. On the other hand, the study is expected to give significance practically by making students know how to preserve environment through their literary work. And practically, the findings of this study are likely to help students understand how literary work can be the device to share the awareness of environment. It is expected that the readers, especially English literature students, can be aware of the environmental damage around us and then can stand in the position to preserve the environment from being vulnerably damaged. The scope and limitation. This study focused on how Lorax film promotes the ecological awareness to the audience. The limitation is that the researcher will only use economistic approach by Stiebe 2012-2015, so other economistic approach by other experts will not be taken into consideration. We're going to definition of key terms. The first one is ecolinguistic, the second is ecosophy, the third is film, and the fourth is Lorax movie. We are going to ecolinguistic. Ecolinguistic is an approach that provides a true investigation of the delicate interplay between language and the environment. The ecosophy is a philosophical paradigm which concerns the efforts that beneficial from environment. Film is a mode of literary presentation such as camera angle editing, montage, and slow and fast motion, and can be explained using a textual structure by Clarer. And the film Lorax tells the story about the future Earth when people keep damaging and the Earth don't have any real tree. The previous studies is from from Mas M. Azouzi and Hedi and Handoko in year 2021. The title is Lemon Narrative in Amaudo, Eco Documentary and Ecolinguistic. The second by David Attenborough and Abbas and Janjua from year 2023. Meeting and Measuring Framing Climate Change in the documentary A Life on Our Planet. And the third, by Paul and Spangler, and Paul and Spangler in 2020. The title is Echo This and Recycle That, an anachronistic analysis of a popular digital simulation game. Research and method. Research design. This research is a qualitative research which show the data descriptively by Criswell 2014, page 32. And that data source, the source data of this research is a Lorax film direct by film, then the data will be any utterance of narration which show the linguistic pattern of that promote environmental preservation. Research instrument, the research is the primary instrument in conducting qualitative research. This statement makes the researcher of this research the center point of the research process. We're going to the next part is data collection technique. For this research, the researcher will follow several steps such as obsessing and highlighting. The researcher watched the film several times to understand the plot, and the researcher then highlight the representation of environmental damage for further analysis. We're going to data analysis. The first one is data reduction. Data reduction, the researcher collected the data from the film in the form words, phrase, or sentence which show the linguistic pattern that promote environment preservation in Lurex film. The second one is data display. In this step, after the data reduction process had been done, the data were divided and expanded into each type in the form of the descriptive paragraph. The third is drawing conclusion. The researcher held the temporal conclusion and went to step to finally draw the final conclusion. In this step, a conclusion was drawn to answer the research question of this study. And that's all from my thesis, econometric, my thesis. Thanks for watching and thank you.